TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from the shores of a beautiful Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 11 a.m. update. We got a sea of green out there. All the U.S. indices that we track, they're trading to the upside. Dow's up 348, S&P 32, NASDAQ 100, 217, 23 for the Russell, 122 for the transports, 140 for the semis, 182 for the NASDAQ composite. New York Stock Exchange up 84 points. Gold is off 57 bucks, with silver being up $1.15. Light sweet crude is off 48 cents. Natural gas down 4 pennies, and a 30-year Treasury is flat. Print out 118.01. Let's try to figure out what all this means by looking at that 9-panel market update chart. We'll begin with the ES Mini, upper left-hand side. The ES Mini finding support at the bottom of its profile. Really, the trade range for it has been between, for the most part, 68.62 at the bottom of the profile, and the center at 69.18 out there. We did have a spot VIX index that had a one-day rate of change above plus 10%. You know that what that means to expect and anticipate a rally or a bounce or a bottom the very next trading session. So that has already been taken care of. We'll take a look at the intraday charts during the Trader's Edge show to try to identify potential top and bottom signals out there. The NQ is trading really in a sideways range. It's been doing so for about the last 6, 7, 8 trading sessions out there. It is above profile support. The U.S. dollar index, as we mentioned, formed a new profile yesterday below support. Price got back towards the top of that profile. That's a bullish signal. It closed above 97.87, and we'll see the U.S. dollar index up at the 98.88 level. Gold yesterday closed above the level where a counter-trend rally would come to an end. That's a positive. It does suggest as long as price can remain above 51.63 that we ought to see a run towards 55.34. Silver closed above the top of its daily profile 2 days ago yesterday and is trading above it today. It's in a breakout mode and likely to rally further. Light sweet crude has got an A to B equals CD pattern. Well, I take that back. Light sweet crude, the April contract, let me just make sure. Yeah, it needs to close above 65.99. It needs to continue to trade above 65.99 for that A to B equals CD pattern to the upside to come to fruition. 71.83 is the price target. Natural gas trading below one trend line, maybe targeting the next one right around the 280 level out there. Below that, we get back to the lows of January. And finally, we take a look at 30-year Treasury. It remains above the top of its profile, likely to rally further out there. Folks, stay tuned for the Trader's Edge show. But if you have to start your Tuesday, have a terrific one. Thanks for joining us. We'll look forward to speaking with you again soon. Take care now.